Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Kita, baby. Listen, tonight we're gonna make the best crispy fried chicken sandwich you done ever had, that you done had in a long time, okay? Since you're here watching my channel right now, click that subscribe button. Click it now. Don't wait for later, all right? Let's get into it. First, we're gonna start off by seasoning some thinly cut chicken breast, seasoned with whatever you have in your pantry, but I use garlic powder, onion powder, garlic salt, Sazon, because y'all know how I do. Make sure you get both sides because we do eat both sides, okay? We're going to go ahead and marinate that in some buttermilk. And then to that buttermilk, we're going to add a little bit of our pickle juice. I am using Famous Dave's Devil Spit pickles because I like a little heat with my pickles, all right, y'all? And I went ahead and let them peppers fall up in there too, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and work on our dry batter. I am using potato starch. You can use potato starch or rice starch or just use flour if that's what you have, but potato starch is what gets it nice and crispy, along with that cornstarch and then just a little bit of white flour. And I'm gonna season that with the same seasonings that I used on my chicken, all right? Again, y'all ain't gotta use the same seasoning that you see me using in this video. Use what you have at home, okay? All right, now, yes, I put my dry dredge in a bag, in a plastic bag, and we're gonna put that chicken up in there and shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. All right, I went ahead and took it out, put it back in the wet batter, put it back in the dry dredge, and as you can see here, I'm taking it back out and I'm letting it rest for a minute. And while that's resting, I am preheating my oil to about 350 degrees, and I'm gonna butter my buns as well because we want them nice golden and toasty. All right, so as you can see, my chicken is pretty much done. The buns are nice and golden. I'm gonna put some mayo on the top and the bottom. If you don't like mayo, that's fine. Don't use it, okay? Whatever your taste buds like, but I like a little mayo on mine. Now I'm going to start layering my sandwich by starting out with my pickles. I placed a little piece of cheese on that there chicken breast, and then I'm going to add my tomato, and y'all know I got to put the pepper and the salt on my tomato, okay? Let's layer these flavors. I went ahead and topped it off with some shredded lettuce and then a side of fries, y'all, and that is pretty much it. Now, if you're wondering why there's a little white powdery looking stuff on the sandwich, that is because I use potato starch, cornstarch, and that's kind of how it looks, but I can promise you, you will not taste it. Y'all, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That is a wrap.